So a very, very popular rice in curry houses, mixed fried rice special with the omelette on top. I'm going to show you how to make it in very, very easy steps. So a little bit of oil, similar methods to the other onions and peppers, half a teaspoon of salt, shouldn't take too long, about 30 seconds. Let the onion and peppers caramelize. Then you have here carrots and cabbage just sliced into small bits. This is a mixed fried rice, very popular in the restaurants. Put some of this in there. Just some normal peas, garden peas. Just going to let that cook. So then your Desi-Style spice. Optional, a little bit of chili powder if you like it a little bit spicy. So you've got to turn it down. As soon as the spice goes in, turn it down, or it's going to stick to the pan, it's going to burn all the spices. Let it for about 20-30 seconds, let it cook into the peas, the carrots, the cabbage, and then you're ready for your rice. You've got to be careful because there's peas here, so you can't too much crush the rice. So be careful to cook it in. Just break up the lump if there's any lumpy bits of rice. So make sure it's not complete. As many of you know, there's an omelette that will go over the top of it. So make sure there's enough oil so it doesn't stick to the pan. And you've got to make sure the oil is hot, otherwise the omelette will just get stuck to the pan. So while that's warming up, we get an egg. And then we just beat the egg. Okay, so we've got the egg now, so we're just going to put it in. Keep the pan moving, otherwise the omelette will get stuck. So as you can see, I'm keeping it moving. Keep it moving. So this is the tricky part. You've got to flip the omelette so the other side is cooked. So you've got to make sure it's not stuck. Grab one side of it, and that's it. You've got to make sure both sides are cooked. There you have it, a mixed fried rice special.